If you have ever tried to install and set up a membership platform, then you need the IQ of a genius to get started. Different levels to be set, different access points, set up the delivery, login, rights, it goes on and on. From time to time, I've tried all the big membership platforms. All I wanted to do is set up a simple membership site and get going, but most of the platforms took a week of learning before I could even start. So many different sections to learn before you could start protecting your content. And with so many moving parts, get something wrong and your whole site is broken. All I wanted was a simple solution. Just click and go. Upload the software and start protecting and building your site within just an hour. How amazing would that be? Upload the software, add a few settings, protect your content. If it was that easy, you could concentrate on what is most important, and that is creating traffic and content for your site, not worrying about all the hundreds of different features that just don't matter. Introducing Membership SaaS Master Tool. This is by far the easiest membership platform you will ever install. Upload and adjust a few settings and you are ready to go. Start protecting your site straight away. But this software doesn't stop at being just a membership site. Oh no, this is much more. You ever want to just protect a download rather than a whole site? Then you can do that with this brand new software as well. You can protect anything from zip files, image files, plugins, software downloads, ebooks, video files. Anything that can be downloaded can be protected. You can also set different download options. Set a timer for the download, so the user needs to collect it in a set time limit. Set a cookie limit so the user can only download themselves. Set a download limit number so the user has, say, 10 downloads, and much more. A simple and easy to use script for protecting membership sites and membership files. Make sure you lock in access today for the lowest price this will ever be.